Hi everyone, Seb Chaps here. Today we'll introduce the new features coming soon in Conceal Assistant. What's new? New front-end to monitor closely Node and Miner, but first and foremost, Windows compatibility. This is still in test phase, but if you want to give it a try and participate in beta testing, go on the Conceal Assistant GitHub repository. You'll find all the links in the description. Copy the link, open a command prompt with a right-click, run as administrator, and choose your destination folder. Git clone the repo with the command git clone and paste the link. Press enter. Go in the Conceal Assistant folder. Switch to the main branch with the command git checkout mainwin. Press enter. Install the packages. npm install, and when that is done, launch with the command nodemon server.js. Open your web browser and navigate to localhost port 3500. Register a new user. Wait a few seconds for the server to refresh. Then you can log in. We'll land on the main page with the status of the node and the miner. Node not being active on this PC, however the miner is, and we have now a new feature giving us the hash rate at a glance. Let's activate the node. The service is now active, but the 8 returns some question marks. Let's open the API, and as we can see, it's because the node is initializing. Let's go back and deactivate. And confirm. Now let's try to change our miner settings, opening the miner stats to check the actual pool, and come back to deactivate the miner and access the setting page. We'll change the mining pool, for example, and use conceal.cedric-crispin.com on port 3364. Miner name, starting with a dot for this pool, and click on modify and confirm. Reactivate the miner. The hash rate information is coming up. And we can go cross-check our mining pool has been changed. Now that we are done with all our modification, we can log out. And for the next part of this test, we're going to access our CCX-BOX, the one which is running the node, to check the new feature returning the hash rate and the node 8 on the main page. We can click on the miner title to refresh the value, and we can do the same for the node. It will return current node 8 versus network. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, don't hesitate to reach out for comments or suggestions. And if you are new to Conceal Network, please flash the QR code and visit the website. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.